What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today it's clearly something different, something we don't see every day. I have pink hair, and yeah, there's nothing really else I can explain about this beside it is pink hair, and yeah. So I got this hair from RPG Hair Company, and it came in 613 Platinum Blonde, and I used the color Soft Lavender to get this color. Now my desired color was the color that's in the end. It's a very soft pink, and apparently that's what I got at the ends, and then the roots became very dark. Yeah, so this was an experiment. I thought it was pretty cute. I can't really complain. I mean, this is what I signed up for. I wanted pink hair. I thought it was cute. I had it in a high ponytail. I've had it in a low ponytail. It is a 360 wig, but there is some pros and some cons to this hair that I can say. Well, first, I'm going to go through the cons just so we can get that out the way because it's not that many. But, this hair is very, very thin at the ends. It's like you can literally see the thinning of the hair. And, like, yeah, it's like a bundle of hair at the bottom. It's not enough for me. It's very stringy at the bottom, but if you blow dry it and then do a light flat iron at the end, it should be fine. I mean, it wasn't that big of a deal. It was just kind of, it gets thin, and I don't know if it's because I dyed it and I had some shedding. That is another thing. I did have some shedding when I was dyeing the hair. I had shedding coming through the hair. I had shedding when I was washing the hair. It's probably why the hair is so thin now, but I mean, hey, so yeah, I went and bought 2 bottles of the Soft Lavender by Adore. And then I mixed it with some conditioner just so I can have that lighter color. And that's probably why I got that at the ends, and I should have just did it lightly. But I was trying to make sure that like there was no blonde left at the top. So I was so worried about not having any blonde left that's just got kind of hot pink. But I totally feel like I rocked the pink. I mean, it is definitely an attention getter. When I go in public, it's like people are just staring and staring and staring and staring. And I'd be like, why are these girls looking at me? Why are they looking at me? And then my friends be like, well, you do have pink hair, Saquanica. And I'm just like, you're right. And they're like, and it's not like it's like pale pink. You have pink hair. And I'm like, yeah. So, anyways, I really like the hair. I took a lot of cute pictures. If you guys seen them on Instagram, I was super excited when I had first dyed the hair. I was like, whoa, Barbie vibes, yes. Nicki Minaj vibes, yes. I was too excited. I put it on. I was like, what I should have done was curl the hair, but I have so many reviews left to do. I have so many different things that I'm trying to put on my channel that I really don't have the time to keep hair in long. So when I do wear this again, I will curl it and see how that looks. But yeah, it was a pretty good install. I didn't even pluck the edges. It kind of came pre-plucked and like with a hairline kind of made, which was really cool to me. All I did was just shave off a little bit of some of the baby hairs just to make them a little shorter. It was honestly an easy process, and having like the blonde roots, you know, was cute. I did put a little makeup in my part just to darken that, but honestly guys, I love my pink hair. Nobody can tell me differently because I was feeling myself for the past couple days and nobody could tell me anything. I don't care who was looking at me or talking about my pink hair. I loved it. I was sending you Barbie vibes. And this hair is really soft. The only other thing that I can say is the lace has a lot of little hairs. Like, I laid them down before this video, but like in the next video that I post, you will see that it's like a little fan. Like, throughout the day I have to go like lay the flyaways down because they just, it's like little hairs everywhere. I don't, didn't like that. I don't, no. I don't like the flyaways. No, that just, no. So I had used the Got To Be Glue spray right before this, and it laid them down very well, which I should have been using all week, but clearly I didn't use that. Yeah, so the little tiny hairs was an issue for me, and it's not like I cut them. I don't know if they're trying to simulate like natural flyaways, but it wasn't for me. So that was the con. Thinning at the end was a con, and the shedding was a con. The only good thing was a lot of hair does not take to color, and this took to color instantly. It was blonde, so it was easier for me to go from blonde to pink, from blonde to pink instead of black to pink. That would just be a mess. It was super easy to just cut and install. It didn't tangle or anything, it just shed, so that was just the bad thing. But I like this hair, and a lot of people saying they're gonna try it, so I hope you guys do try this pink. I hope I inspired you to try the pink. I was inspired by Jayda Ayana to try this pink when she did the pink hair, and she had in the cute ponytail, she had the off the shoulder shirt. I'm like, yes, sis, I'm next. I call dibs. Who else did pink? There's a couple other people that did pink that kind of inspired me to do pink. But yeah, y'all, that's about it with this pink hair. There's more information about my pink hair on my Instagram because I posted so many pictures and videos of myself in here. But I'm about over the pink, which is why I really have nothing to say for it. Nothing to say about it. So yeah. Lashes earlier today, and then my whole just little look was cute, but it's late at night. It's like 12, and I'm like, I gotta take this wig off. I gotta film first and tell them about this hair. I have had hair from Perfect Lake, from RPG hair before, which was the kinky straight hair, which I loved. They also sent me another wig, which I will be reviewing very soon, which is the exclusively style wig, which is like replicating my natural hair supposedly. So we will see how that will look. So please stay tuned for more vlogs coming this summer. I just bought a camera, guys. I just bought a camera, and it's just so cute, and it has the best quality, and I'm ready to vlog and start filming on here, and everything's gonna go up from here. I will be doing challenges. I have my friends coming on my channel very soon. I have my parents coming on my channel very soon. I have a lot of different things coming because not only am I tired of doing hair. I know you guys are tired of seeing hair. So we're going to make this a little fun, and I'm going to try to get my website up very soon, and that meet and greet schedule out very soon. I'm going to try to get all that together for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.